Alain Central Bus Station.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last Alain video, you saw how we travel from Dubai to Alain by public transport and it costed just 25 dirham and it was super convenient and budget friendly travel option. So Alain is such a beautiful city. It is peaceful, green and surrounded by stunning mountain view. And we are here for the staycation and we have just booked a taxi from Alain bus station to head up to Alberni Jabal Hafid, which is a luxurious 5-star resort nested in the Jabal Hafid mountain. So in this video, I will be showing you a full room tour, food option and sharing all the cost in detail. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. Let's go. So let's start with the room tour. Once you enter into the room, right side you will see the washroom. It's super spacious and clean with a separate shower and bathtub. The lighting is perfect. They have stocked with premium toiletries and the soft towel. Definitely gives off a luxury spa vibe. The next we have the TV area as well as they have given the working decks there. Now coming to the bedroom, it's beautifully designed with a cozy king-size bed, fluffy pillows and warm lighting. The room gives off a calm, relaxing vibe, ideal for a peaceful staycation. Moving to my favorite part, the balcony. It opens up to the stunning mountain view of the Jabal Hafid. You can sit here in the morning with cup of coffee and just take in the fresh air and nature. Speaking of coffee, they have also included a coffee machine and a mini bar. One thing I found really thoughtful, they have placed a prayer mat in the room for the Muslim guests. I really appreciate this gesture. It shows how attentive they are to the guests' needs and culture. Overall, the room is perfect mix of elegance, comfort and thoughtful hospitality. Loving it so far. Took a short nap and after that we decided to explore the resort. You will see a lot of greenery everywhere and it was so windy. For food, they are having just limited option. So you will get the two options there. One is their restaurant, you can see in the picture, and other one is a cafe. Both are having beautiful view. On both the places, you will get kind of same food menu option, and they have the room service available as well. The sitting arrangement of cafe is very cute as well as you will get the beautiful view from the cafe. You can see the viewpoint as well as some adventurous activities from the cafe. At that time it was closed. I'm not sure it is permanently closed or they have temporarily closed those activities. You will see the swimming pool which belongs to the other resort and you will see a beautiful walkway as well as the view from that point. Night time you will get totally different vibes from the resort. It is more aesthetic and Pinterest worthy. We had some snacks and coffee at the cafe and decided to roam around. So you will notice the Mercure Grand Jabal Hafid resort nearby. It's located within the same premises. Now coming to the price detail, our stay at Albany Jabal Hafid cost us around 600 dirham for 2 nights including the breakfast, and that's after applying a coupon on Agoda. So definitely check for deals while booking. And if you have any question about resort booking, pricing, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I would be happy to help. We step out to the main road to find a good spot to watch the beautiful sunset, and trust me, it was worth it. The sunset point is just 10 to 15-minute walk from the resort, and we took some lovely pictures, enjoyed the cool breeze, and then headed back to hotel to relax. And the views from there are absolutely stunning. Golden skies, mountain, and peaceful vibe all around. As you see, we had an active morning, did a bunch of activities, had breakfast, spent some time at the pool, then hit the gym. After that, we came back to the same sunset point we visited yesterday. So guys, we did a little trek and we come to this viewpoint where you can see the full Ain, the desert as well as the city. So the view is beautiful and we are enjoying the weather here. It's around 11 degrees Celsius and it's our anniversary today. So happy anniversary to you.
Happy anniversary.
It's time to leave. We pack our bags and book a cab to go back to Dubai again. So before I end this video, here is the quickly breakdown for the total cost of our trip. So bus from Dubai to Ain and back costed us around 50 dirham per person. Then stay at the resort including the breakfast, as I mentioned, it costed 620 dirham for 2 people, so 310 for 1 person. Then cab from Ain bus station to resort and back costed us around 60 dirham each way, that means 60 dirham per person. Food including lunch and dinner costed us around 200 to 300 total. So the total budget per person came around 520 to 570 AD for the entire trip, which is pretty great for a peaceful 5-star staycation in the mountain. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.